So I heard that you people are asking how do you get water. So this type of game, it's good you play it daily, like consistently daily, so you can be making water. So every day, every morning, there are plenty things to unlock. Like this one is the treasure hunt. You click on the treasure hunt for every day. There is a certain amount of water they will give you. So you can see there is dates on it. Okay, and there's also row and claim. You can see, in fact, for every time you see an icon has a red bullet on top, that means there is a water to gain from it. If you click on this row and claim, it's like a Ludo game. You play it, they give you water, and sometimes they give you like 180 grams, sometimes 50 grams. Then there's also daily bonus rows where you browse. If you browse for 30 seconds, I guess, you get water from there. Then this one is also like every day you play the game, there is points. Is the active bonus. If you get points, there is water attached to the points. Then here also, if you share, you get water. If you browse for 60 seconds, you get 15 grams of water. You can see you get 15 grams of water. So you have to just scroll up, scroll down. It will be reading. You see, on browse this page for 56 and 55 seconds to earn 15 grams of water. So if you just hold on, 60 seconds is not too much. Before you know it, you get your water. There are so many activities to do on the farmland that can give you water. Just play it consistently. Then this is the farmland game where you merge. So this one, if you play, they give you number of times to play the game. Like if you water, they give you number of times to play the game. And you can also get some like number of times by clicking in the morning, I think 7 to 9, in the afternoon 12 to 2, and also in the evening 5 to 7. So consistently, if you're playing this game consistently, in fact, in 2 months you should be done. Like if you're not always, people is not always clicking your this, because when people click, you get 10 grams of water. So if you're not like sharing to people to click, and you are playing consistently, you are logging in every morning, check on all these icons, do some tasks, you will get your water. Then see, now when someone clicks, you see it gives you 10 grams of water. You click, you get your water. Then if you also click on people's link, I think per link sometimes 3 grams, 2 grams, 1 gram, depending on what they want to give you. So if you play, sometimes if you miss a day or two, you have less water. Then if you look up, you will see this one is treasure chest. You should know that one. Now, if you look up, you see zero watering. I've not watered. There's also like where you play with someone. The person also did zero watering. Like the person has not watered. But at the end of the day, if I water more than the person, I still get water.